outskirts of Pai now. Okay, my cam is on. You can see from the 360 as we arrive into Pai. Most of the roads all quite straight lah, very easy. Back to the normal straight roads, town and city roads. No more curves already. Ayo, wasted. Maybe after Pai, I haven't seen the route yet. The one where Pai to Chiang Mai, not too sure how it's like for that one. But that's pretty much it lah. This is the journey from Ban Rak Thai. So that means it's from northwest to northeast. Maybe you went past north, like the viewpoints and such. This one they can stack until don't know which floor, so they stack last year. This one can efficiency, get all the things done, one go. Okay, you can see now we don't see any more sunlight anymore. Sun is setting soon, even though it's 3:45 in the afternoon. I guess it's much more cloudy today. Haven't seen the weather yet, so I'm not too sure on our weather condition today and tomorrow, especially where we are going out. We're going to make a left. Now we are heading to the PTT petrol station. Make a left soon. Pump all the bikes, show all the petrol all okay. Then after that, this one must go to some lorong. Oh no lah. Let's go ni. Whatever the route. Now when people want to stick to main road, makes us go through the back roads. Nah, mana these back roads so bad. It's just that we're just enjoying the normal roads. Let's see, now also bumpy lah down here. Okay, back roads also can see more people house lah. So nothing much to see here. Just be careful of other vehicles. Ayo, lubang-lubang. Careful. Right, so there's one PTT just over here. Motorbike dude, you have to go uphill, no power, so still want to try overtake. Okay, do a left and up straight is our petrol stop. Then after that we can just go CC, look, see got anything we can visit for now. Looks like we have enough time to stop at some areas. Alright, you can see PTT station. We are here. We've had a lot of cars lah, but everybody queuing up. So you can see the condition now. So many vehicles and stuff. Still got a lot. So many people lah. Tomorrow sudah. Looks like we still got a lot of petrol lah, so no problem. Still can head to the next one. AM PAI sign. Can go. That's it. It's not my call it. The downhill. Actually, most of the way I am going in neutral. Although like I said, all these things please guys, if not confident, you don't know your bike so well, or depends on skill level also, you want to try, hey, this fella asking you come in, it depends on the skill level, all these things. got Yamaha shop here, which is building, seems. So just be careful lah. You want to try all this weird thing. Just be careful. Alright. One PT here also. Might as well, right? This is a lady along the way. Nope. And here also got queue. Everywhere got queue lah. There's so many people. Must come when there's no vehicles. Then at least no need to waste time. Around here see okay lah. This town, this Pai area, this seems much more bigger lah. 7-Elevens and all. Not as big as Chiang Mai. Not as busy as Chiang Mai. That one is a tourist place, so expected to be much more crowded than here. Right, so you got this car and reach my next stop in 1 minute. AM PAI sign. Or is it I love Pai? Actually, AM PAI. So it's one of the landmark spot lah of this Pai area. Take a picture. Then maybe you see can stick some stickers, man. One of the stickers to show that we have arrived here. The sign. Woohoo! Here we go. AM PAI. Park nicely down here for Rex. You can see that we are here. Alright, engine off. And it seems all the stickers also they take out already. So I don't know, am I just blocking the way or what lah, but yeah. So yeah, the sign here. Alamak. Is my thing still? This one got to be in gear lah, sia. It's rolling down. Okay. Has to be in gear. Okay. Got the incline, man. Okay, so got this sign. There's like this park area. Take picture. I believe people last time got stick, right? I think they go take out already. That's why you can see the sign is much more cleaner now. No more sticker. And then now they go and stick on this lorry instead. Then got this cottage in love thing. The sign outside. I think that's for the place down there lah. So see where this spot here. 95 Pai. Then got the sign, coffee in love. If you wanna sit down there, have a drink, chill out, go take a picture of this sign here to show that we are here, man. Whew. That's one round. Almost finished. Mae Hong Son Loop. See, I forgot to switch off lah, guys. Okay. Settle. Switch off this one. Get me my pictures. Show that we are here, man. We are here at Pai. We take a picture one also down here. Then got the whatever shit lah. This thing, I don't know what it's called lah. This is landmarks thing something like that. You know, the bike plus 95 plus AM PAI. How are that sweet? We are here. Okay. So we'll just see what we can see here. Anyway, nothing much lah. So you got toilet break, Pai Hospital, airport, Chiang Mai is that way, and something's happening at the back. We will just head on to maybe Pai Canyon lah, see the condition over there. Alright, so be back when we are heading off. Okay, we are now at Pai, and at the AM PAI sign, there's the coffee shop is in the back lah, the Coffee in Love. And then we are here, and then it is you can see the sun, but there's a dark cloud right above us to indicate our arrival, I guess. But we are here. AM PAI. Yeah. See, sweet. They made a nice shot, this one. Okay, wait, I'll take one picture first. X0 here, and we are at Pai. Don't forget to subscribe to the Zero Bros channel to catch our touring videos here in Thailand. Woohoo! Long ride, man. We are at Pai, and you can see from the sign, I guess a lot of the stickers I know you used to have lah, all the stickers and stuff, but never mind, you don't want to race, right? So there's this lorry lah. This the lorry sudah, you can see got people start sticking at the lorry. It's a good spot lah. So put down there, then after that the AM PAI sign lah. So ugly already. So put somewhere here, like decal like that. So when you all come here in Pai, don't forget to check us out. Alright. There you go. And then it's on to the journey. Okay, short break lah. You can see the AM PAI sign, Rex over here, and see in the distance all the haze again. Okay lah, I can see some views lah of their mountainside. Right, weather still seems good. Looks like we are going to Pai Canyon, man. Why not? Since already along the way, it's about 5 clicks out lah. So pretty easy ride nearby. See what's going on there. Take some pictures. And then we'll head to our hotel. I just need to make a U-turn. Nice spot to take picture down here. Don't miss out if you are already here. Alright, like I said, 5 clicks out and we are there. 360 is out of the way already, so now you got a better view lah. At least don't have the 360 blocking the way already, so I can show you Pai a bit. You can see all the sights along the way. Just need to be careful again. Like I said, this one much more busier area, so we'll watch out for all the small bikes lah, popping out of nowhere, and other vehicles as well. Not too sure what you can see in Pai Canyon. I'm not too sure if you need to walk or not. That's another story. But since it's the end of the day, why not lah? I will just show you guys. If you have to walk also, bopian lah, just walk only. You can go on. Right. See all the motorcycles trying to overtake the lorry, so need to be careful. The opposite side one, they seem to be more concerned of avoiding the vehicle on their own lane than the incoming traffic, it seems, from what I noticed. This one seems to be the back roads of PAI. It's at the outskirts part. This is why you can see the roads are like this, because just now there was a sign to go straight for PAI, but we made a right to get some petrol and come to this AM PAI sign. Paste another sticker. Wow, we got a lot of sticker already. We paste already. Some spot we skip lah, because like that one also like doesn't seem so outstanding. All the viewpoint, all that one must paste on the pole and all. Don't know whether got enough sticker or not. Okay, that's why. Okay, be careful all this road we got construction one. Okay, the guy is waving his red flag. Then this one is wet plus gravel plus soil. This one your tires not so good one, better be careful lah. Nothing wrong with going slow. Just relax and go. Then still want to overtake my dudes in the van, no problem. Okay, see the signs. Bantitet. Don't know what is that. Seems to be further that way lah, Chiang Mai, I guess. We are not heading yet. Okay. On the way, can see one big dude down here. Don't know who is that. One big statue of the fella. Guess over here got more temples and sightsee place. That's interested to see hot springs. Very long, sir. I tell you, that was before COVID. Many years back, man, where the last I visit hot spring. It will be interesting to see. Which is why I specifically chose the hotel. Really is nearby one. I think you can walk also, can reach the hot spring one. Okay, I have a feeling this one see, goes like that, then after is the point A. Is have to walk up one. Then Kong Ling. So the proper name is Kong Ling, which is Pai Canyon. Cannot be they name it Pai Canyon, right? Sure got Thai name one. So actually I got put one of the spots. This one is love strawberry pie. I think you can go eat some strawberries over there. But we'll see how it goes. Check out Pai Canyon first. This is more of a highlight area. There was a sign for our hotel. It looks like very busy right down here. Find a spot to park. Then we can go more. If it's, I have a feeling it's must hike one. This one. Okay, we are here at the car park area of Pai Canyon. I'll switch off to the phone cam lah and see how is the walk like.